Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I had all intentions of fixing an avocado salad this afternoon, but seems like I've waited too late for my avocado, so I've got all the other ingredients. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it together, and we're just going to have some chicken salad. So what you need a cup of chicken. This was baked chicken, and I shredded it and what was not eaten, and there it is. I have 2 boiled eggs that I did yesterday with the intentions of fixing this avocado salad. I am going to use some celery, and I'm going to dice up a little bit of red onion. I have used part of this onion on something else, so I might as well use it. So we'll just get started, and this is, like I say, it's not what I started out to do, but that's okay. We can make do with this for today. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dice up some onions. Not very many, I don't think, because I don't really have a lot of chicken, because I really had all the intentions for the avocado to fill in, but and this is just some chicken salad with the stuff you got at home, not to go out and have to buy anything. Like I say, I did buy the avocado, and it just was so hard. I wanted it to ripen up a little bit. Well, it ripened up so much that I just cannot use it for this. So we will make do with what we've got. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. And just because the avocado went bad does not mean that I should waste the rest of the stuff. So what I've done here, I have got 1/4 cup of onion, 1 cup of baked chicken, I hope everybody's having a good day. Mine's going good, even though it didn't turn out exactly like what I wanted it to do. And we're going to have 2 eggs that I cooked yesterday, that I boiled yesterday. So we're just going to chop those up right quick. Just about got through the afternoon without rain, a thunderstorm. We sure have been having a lot of them here lately. This is 2 boiled eggs. No need to mess up a lot of dishes for this. This is just going to be a quick and easy thing, just to keep me from having to throw away stuff that I had gathered to do something else. And we're going to cut up 1 stalk of celery. And I like my celery cut up real fine. Well, not in such big chunks. Around the House with Kay and Tom. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would do so. Give me a thumbs up and offer me a comment. If there's anything you'd like for me to try fixing, I would be glad to. I know Tom always was into all the Ninja cookers, and I'm more prone to just cook like my mama cooked. I do miss all his Ninja cooking, that is for sure. But some things you can't do anything about, so you just have to accept it and go on. And this is just 1 stalk, and I don't mean the whole thing, it's just 1 thing of this celery. There we go. And if you wanted to measure that out beforehand so you can have some idea, let's just see, I think it might be half a cup. I don't even think it's half a cup. Not quite a half a cup. It's more half a cup than it is anything else, so that is fine. Like I say, I didn't have a lot of chicken, so I don't want a lot of ingredients in it. I'm just going to stir all of this up. Got chicken, so we got to put a little salt, not much. Black pepper. There we go. Let's just stir it up. I have got 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and that may not be enough to get it wet, but let's just start with that. And let's just stir it up a little bit. I do believe that 1/4 cup of mayonnaise was just right. Now that was really quick chicken salad. Now all I've got in it is I had baked chicken and I tore it up. I have 1 stalk of celery, 1/4 cup of onion, 2 boiled eggs, and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, salt and pepper. And we have chicken salad, and we'll have a chicken salad sandwich in just a little bit. And again, this is Kay and Tom, Around the House with Kay and Tom. And thank you for looking at this little video, and I hope you try it. Use your stuff you got in your refrigerator. Don't throw it away just because something other didn't turn out like you wanted it to, because really, I had all intentions of doing an avocado salad, which I'll do later, but I've got to buy another avocado now. Again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me. Have a good day.